Hi Dotties! I'm Mini, and I know that you're probably wondering, can I change my energy? Can I be finally cool? Can I do that? But first we need to talk about the videos itself, because I'm sure that you saw a video like femme fatale energy, body energy, and all of these energies. You probably saw at least one of them. Let's hear it. So what is actually femme fatale energy? What even these videos are about? Because maybe you didn't see it. It's actually pretty simple, because these videos are about how can you change your energy so other people can, well, basically view you differently. Like they will look at you and be like, different person. I'm sure that you at least once saw this type of video, you clicked on it and you saw what's inside. So what is femme fatale? It's a concept. And I know that a lot of people will be like, but femme fatale is a badass, basically. Like, she's, you know, like this manipulative, man-eater, like, this is basically the personality that every girl wants. Femme fatale is a concept. It's a cultural concept. One of the books that have femme fatale inside like this is in Macbeth. I understand why people want to be femme fatale. I understand the idea, but at the same time I feel like it's just the wrong way to start with. I have this muffin for you. I also have tea, so we will have a little bit of ASMR. So, is it even possible to be femme fatale? When you think about femme fatale, you see this like strong, clever, savage, sassy, manipulative woman, right? Humans are more layered than just that, than just one thing that is around them. Believe me, like this type of videos, you don't need to watch them, okay? Like, it won't change anything at all. So now I will brush your hair, if that's okay with you. And also I think anyway, I think that I'm sorry. All of these videos that we are talking about are basically focusing on changing your behavior, on making you feel like you should change yourself, like change the way you walk, the way you smile, like the way you look at people. That's insane. That's insane. If you will ask me, that's absolutely insane. And I don't think that you should change anything about yourself just to be femme fatale or baddie or whoever else. And what is the problem? The problem is that a lot of people are actually changing their behavior, natural behavior. Also, it's almost impossible to actually control your behavior that much. Energy is not something you can just change, because our energy or vibe, what we basically give off without realizing it, well, we can't really change that, can we? How would you even do that? Like, you can't change something that you do absentmindedly, okay? Because when you exist and you don't really think how you walk, how you talk, if it's quick, if it's slow, if it's something else, I don't know, then you can't really change how people will, you know, view you. You can't really change that. Everyone will see you differently. When I look at you, I can see you differently. When your neighbor look at you, he will see you differently. Everyone see you differently. Every single person you will see something different when they look at you. It's pointless to actually try and be someone else, someone who's not even there, okay? Like, it's just so we actually got to the end of this video. Now it's healthy time, of course. So again, if you want to like participate in that, you can take a photo with me and you can post it on your Insta story where I will see it and we can see each other, of course, if you're comfortable doing that. So I'm so thankful, I'm so thankful for doing this today, because my do you hear me? I don't want to hear myself. I hope that you hear me well, and I hope that my voice is not that bad. So I hope to see you next time. I love loving you, Dottie, and again, see you next time.